2 new Excel functions you need to know. TOCOL converts an array into one dynamic column. Select 1 to ignore blanks. TOROW converts an array into one dynamic row. Select 1 to ignore blanks. So easy. Visit datadrivenconsultant.com for more tips.